Hey everybody, welcome to this week's Tips and Tricks where we talk about how to stay balanced. And this week we are going to look at how to support pencil grip. So in my Monday video, we talked about pencil grip and why handwriting might not be as good today as it was back in the day. So hopefully you can go back and look at that video. But the first thing, the children's hands probably have a very low muscle tone, so you do want to do a lot of fine motor skills to work on that. The earlier the better. So if you're a preschool kindergarten teacher, or if you have a child who is in preschool or kindergarten, please encourage your teachers to do that. But as they're learning to write, it is very important that they are using a fat pencil. A lot of teachers, for convenience, some teachers only have pencil sharpeners that are for skinny pencils. Do them a favor, donate them a really nice pencil sharpener that can sharpen fat pencils. The children really need fat pencils. Their bones in their wrist aren't quite developed yet, and if their motor skills are low, they need fat pencils. This one is a fat mechanical pencil I found last year at Walmart. I was really excited. So here's a fat triangular. These are both triangular pencils, and the triangular pencils are nice because it helps your fingers. Each of the three fingers is on a different angle of the triangle, and it helps support natural pencil grip. We want to make sure that when we're helping the children learn how to hold a pencil, they pinch the pencil, and then we do this, and then these can go underneath. Okay, and when you go around, they shouldn't be squeezing it so hard. You should be able to pull it out. Long time ago, kindergarten teachers used to do that. When they are holding the pencil, if the thumb is up on the side, they're using this muscle, and it is really, that's where the tiredness, and they're squeezing too hard. If they use skinny pencils, they'll have to squeeze really hard because it's harder to grip. The first thing you can do if they have a really hard time is you can poke a hole in this ping pong ball, and you can slide the pencil right through, and holding the ping pong ball will really give them a natural pencil grip. There's some other pencil grips that you can buy. Now this one I personally do not like. There's three little ones, you put your fingers in it, and then you can hold, the pencil goes in the middle. I don't like this one. I find it quite awkward. There are these little ones. I would say this is kind of a more mature, like for older kids. You have to kind of play around to figure out which way your fingers are supposed to go, and then stick the pencil in there. There's a little star on it, like a little Q, to let you know. It's a little bit confusing. This one's my favorite, especially the ones that are really squishy. Some of them are a little bit harder than the other ones. This one's in the middle, kind of hard, kind of squishy. You stick your pencil in this way, and your fingers are inside here, and there's a little groove right here for this finger, so it really promotes a natural pencil grip. So these are some ways that you can help your children with pencil grip and developing good handwriting skills.